not very clear, but I have a Momma Robin building her nest in our plum tree. You can see her butt. She just brought in a big old piece of bark and stuffed it way down the bottom. She's built that in less than 2 days.
He's about to jump. Oh my God, no, dude, don't do it.
We've got weeds in the yard, but I'm focusing on the Momma Robin up there right now.
Here he goes. He's gonna go.
Wish she would focus.
Well, last second.
She's just tamping it in there. Oh, and there she goes on her limb. And away she, oh, she's coming down.
Look for some worms.
For something, yeah. Oh, she's behind the flower pot. Oh, there she is. There's some Guidos. Oh, there she goes. She's gonna go and get some more stuff. And of course, we've got our resident Guides. A couple of them. And some in the little wood pile going on there. A few minutes ago, about 6 of them came from that wood pile. You can hear all the activity out here. I've got one up right there. Anyway, oh, there's something that just flew up in the tree. Just a finch. Alright, that's enough for now. Our blackberries that are full of birds.